to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs. The ACMI online shop stocks a great range of screen culture books, homewares, apparel, curiosities, cards, and gifts, as well as an array of ACMI publications and ACMI merchandise for our dedicated devotees. We specialize in exclusive, independent, local pieces you won't find anywhere else. Our exclusive merchandise is manufactured as locally as possible, with many of our suppliers located right here in Melbourne. We utilize local or Victorian-based suppliers as our first choice, and then elsewhere in Australia over international options. Our products are ethically sourced and produced with environmental principles. We don't support sweatshops or poor working conditions and firmly stand for people getting paid fairly for their work. The ACMI shop is committed to reducing our environmental footprint. We love collaborating with independent artists, community groups, and independent companies to produce exciting and meaningful pieces for you to enjoy. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia vlogs. Please do watch our other Federation Square vlogs. We are actively working towards reducing our reliance on plastics across our merchandise ranges and our general operations. We are switching suppliers and products to achieve this and utilizing more sustainable materials where possible. You won't find plastics or disposable carriers in our ACMI branded packaging. We've switched to durable cardboard postal boxes, tissue paper, paper tape or biotape, and reusable totes. All are designed to be reused wherever possible, so hang on to those boxes and tissue paper for the next time you need to wrap a gift. When popping in to visit the store, don't forget your reusable bags. Have you had the chance to visit Melbourne, Australia? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching.